Hello, this is Winnie Rogers here. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, it's great to have you here. Kindly subscribe below. It's free. Just subscribe kindly. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for working with us. Thank you so much. So today I want to show you how to decorate a Christmas themed birthday or birthday party. Okay? So if you're having a birthday in December, then I think you can try this. You can try this. So I'll blow my balloons, small ones and big ones. And in small, I'll mix colors, but big ones, I'll only go with white. Then I've tied them. I've tied the white ones, the big ones, and the small ones I've not tied. The next thing I'll drape. After that, I'll take a thread. I'll take my thread and I'll begin to tie my balloons, my white balloons. I have nails on the two corners. That's where I've tied my thread. I'll then tie it on this other nail. I'll do the same coming down. I'll mix some colors, just a little. That is red and green for Christmas. I'm making a waist here. That's why it's small. And then I'll go ahead and continue with the big ones. That's the waist. Now, this is how it looks, but then I'll fill it later. I'll take my bells, Christmas bells and balls, and then I'll just use threads to tie them. And I'll put the bells in 3. And I'll use this white thread also again to tie the balls up. And I'll just do it randomly. There's no any formula of doing this, or for doing this, that I'll just tie them randomly around the balloons. And then I'll pick my glue dots and stick on my small balloons, and then I'll just fill in the spaces so that I can make any shape of my choice. You can put as many as you want. You can just fill in to bring any shape of your choice. Any shape of your choice, yeah. I'll just do this until I get the right shape that I want. I'll go down and do the same. I'll just play with the balloons until I get the right shape. So guys, even as you continue to watch, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe for more videos, please subscribe. And if you subscribe, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, so you'll be the one to choose whether you want to watch it or not. But just subscribe so that you'll be notified. Just subscribe. It's a lot of work, but I'll continue until I get the right shape. If you have any question, please, you can just ask me down below on the comment section. Just be free to ask any question that you have. And then I took those bells the way I told you, and I just tied them also around these balloons. I just played around with them, and this is the final look. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. My next videos are coming, so stay right there. Click that button. More videos are coming. Thank you so much guys. Bye.